Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall an application on your Hisense Smart TV. So the top row on your home screen is the applications list that you have, and you can navigate through it using right and left arrow keys. So just navigate to the application you want to uninstall. In my case, it's gonna be the last one, the Plex application. Now to uninstall it, you have to press and hold the OK button on your remote until you see the trash bin icon below it. Then use the down arrow key to select it and then press OK once again to remove it. And that's how you uninstall applications on your Smart TV. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.